Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm teaching you how to make crayon letter art. This is a really easy, fun, beginner level craft. However, it does require the use of an X-Acto knife as well as hot glue. So if you are a bit younger, definitely get an adult to help you with this one. Other than that, I'm not going to waste any more time and I'm going to get straight into the materials that you're going to need to make this. The first thing that you're going to need is a wood letter. This particular one is about 9 inches tall and wide and about 1/4 of an inch thick. The next thing you'll need to make this are crayons. I recommend either the 64 pack or the 96 pack, just depending on what colors you're looking for. You will end up using about 30 to 40 crayons in total to cover the entire letter. The next thing that you're going to need is a cutting utensil. I highly recommend using an X-Acto knife, but if you don't have one, scissors are going to be your next best option. Up next, you're going to need a hot glue gun as well as at least 2 extra glue sticks. The final material is optional, however, if you do want to paint the base of your wood letter, you will need acrylic paint and a paintbrush. So the first thing that I'm doing is covering my wood letter in acrylic paint. Like I said, this step is optional, however, I do highly recommend it just because it gives it more of a finished look. My only suggestion with this part is just make sure you're getting the sides really good, because in the end, that's all that you're going to really be able to see. Okay guys, so I am back inside, and as you can see, our wooden letter has dried. For the most part, it is well covered. However, there are some streaks. Like I said, though, that is okay because we're about to cover it in crayons. For this one, I'm going to show you how to do the rainbow. However, you can do ombre or just one color. It's all up to you. Color is based on personal preference. So I'm going to get started with how to cut the crayons to fit this. That'll be the first step, and then I'll probably end up speeding it up as a time lapse and talk over with any tips and tricks that I have. So I'd like to start from the top to the bottom. So what I'm going to do is, the bad thing about these crayons is the label. If you want it to face left to right, the label is going to be upside down. However, if you would like the point of the crayon facing the opposite way, you will then have that. Personally, I like the point facing left to right just because that's the way I read. So I'm going to do it that way. However, like I said, it's completely up to you. So since I want all my points lined up on this edge, I am going to start with this. I'm going to do my point right about there, and I'm just going to mark it with my X-Acto knife, as you can see there, and I'm just going to make a little divot. And then I'm going to come over here on the side, and the best thing to do is just kind of stick it in that divot and then roll, and usually it just pops right off like that. You will get a little bit of excess, just brush it off to the side, and if you would like to clean it up, you can shave it a little bit like that, and it'll clean up just like that. I have my hot glue warming on the side, so it's all ready to go, and then the next step will be to just glue it down like that and then continue to work my way down. So here in a second, you guys are going to see me reach a point where the letter is too wide for just one crayon. So if you have this problem too, simply just put 2 crayons together, and to do this, just cut off the point of one crayon and stick it to the back of the other one. My only other tip with this is just make sure that you're using similar colored crayons, if not the same color, just to keep that uniform look. And there you have it. That is how you make crayon letter art. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. If it was, feel free to hit the like button below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you have any future ideas for crafts and or tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!